In a strategic leap toward next-generation air combat capabilities, Singapore's Defence Science and Technology Agency, DSTA, and France-based Airbus Helicopters have entered into a forward-looking partnership announced on June 18, 2025. The goal: to pioneer and test an integrated manned-unmanned operational system involving the Republic of Singapore Air Forces, RSAF, H225M helicopter and Airbus Flexrotor drone platform. This cutting-edge project will explore the practical potential of crewed-uncrewed teaming, CUT, an evolving doctrine in military aviation where piloted aircraft cooperate directly with unmanned aerial systems, UAS, during missions. The approach significantly boosts operational reach, persistence, and real-time intelligence capabilities while reducing risks to human crews in contested environments. Central to the trial is the Flexrotor UAS, a compact, vertical takeoff and landing drone originally developed by AeroVironment and now refined for broader deployment by Airbus. Tailored for both maritime and terrestrial surveillance roles, the Flexrotor is built to stay airborne for more than 30 hours and supports modular payloads that allow for mission-specific configuration. Its autonomous takeoff and landing functions make it an agile, field-ready solution for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. The collaborative testbed will integrate the Flexrotor with the RSAF's H225M Caracal, a versatile, heavy-duty military transport helicopter known for its endurance, advanced avionics, and combat reliability. The aircraft, driven by dual Makila 2A1 engines, can ferry nearly 30 personnel or significant cargo loads over extended distances and is designed to handle a wide spectrum of operations from special forces missions to humanitarian aid. A critical enabler of this manned-unmanned synergy is Airbus H-teaming system, which will be embedded in the H225M. This modular technology suite includes secure communication hardware, mission control software, and cockpit interfaces that allow helicopter crews to command and interact with the drone in real time. The result is a seamless information flow and coordinated task execution between both platforms, turning the manned rotorcraft into a mobile battlefield command hub. The implementation will test real-world mission scenarios where the Flexrotor operates as an extended sensor and scout, transmitting live visual, infrared, and electronic signals back to the H225M. This enhances situational awareness far beyond the line of sight, making it possible for RSAF crews to detect threats, conduct surveillance, or even initiate target tracking well in advance of direct engagement. Modern conflict theaters, especially in urban, littoral, or anti-access zones, demand dispersed, multi-domain responses with high operational flexibility and minimal exposure to frontline danger. CUT offers an answer to these demands. Uncrewed drones can take on high-risk roles such as scouting and early threat detection while piloted platforms stay at standoff ranges, ready to act on precise and timely information. By embracing this hybrid concept, Singapore positions itself at the forefront of military innovation in the region. This trial signals more than just a technical upgrade, it marks a shift in how air forces can fight and survive in increasingly complex environments where data, autonomy, and interoperability are key to success. Moreover, the integration reflects a broader trend among advanced militaries to embed AI and automation into traditional force structures. Legacy systems like the H225M gain renewed relevance when combined with intelligent, unmanned systems that act as force multipliers, decision aids, and battlefield extenders. As the RSAF becomes one of the first air forces in Southeast Asia to operationally test CUT at this scale, the initiative is expected to yield crucial insights into how such systems influence doctrine, pilot workload, and command dynamics. The results could inform future acquisitions, upgrades, and even regional cooperation efforts focused on integrated aerial combat systems. Singapore's collaboration with Airbus Helicopters underscores its commitment to maintaining a forward-edge defense posture, not just by acquiring new platforms, but by reimagining how existing ones operate within a digital and autonomous warfare landscape.